Hello everyone, this is Miss Cologne. Now, since this is a online class, I felt like some things need to explain. Now, I know I can give you PowerPoints, which I will be sending you PowerPoint weekly, or handouts, but some concepts I felt that needed a visual explanation. Now, when we have something that I need to explain in a handout, or a concept that I feel you need to know or skill, I'll send you a quick video, no more than 5 to 8 minutes at most, and probably one or two every other week. So the first one I'm going to send you is about what are scholarly sources, right? You're going to do research, so you need to find your sources, and how do you find them? So scholarly sources are peer-reviewed, meaning people in their field, right, experts, let's say in medicine, will review their peers' work and give feedback. The second is extensive references or works cited list. Now, for a journal in research, you need to have a lot of sources in which you can back up your information and, let's say, your experiment if you're in the science field. References refers to APA and works cited list refers to MLA. Now, because these are essays written for a specific field, they will use a lot of jargon, meaning technical language. For example, the language that I use to express my work as a literature major will not be the same as someone in the kinesiology major will use. It will be different, and it's not terms that I, as a humanities major, will know since I am not a science major. Now, usually these journals publish in university press or journals that are of specific fields. For example, if you are a marine biologist, you will look for journals that focus either biology, sea life, or marine biology, right? Because they focus on those topics, themes, and your field. Now, if you're a marine biologist, you will not go for sources, right, in a journal that focuses on agriculture, or let's say architecture. You will not find sources that are relevant to your field. Now, another point that you can know it's a scholarly source is usually the visual aids are not colorful. Since they're published in black and white, the visuals are black and white. And usually they're graphs or statistics, and if they're lab results, they will show you the results and the percentages. Now, most journals, I'm going to say most, not all, have abstracts, meaning they contextualize and summarize the whole work, what it's going to have in it, in a paragraph or two. These are usually at the beginning of the source or all the way at the end. Now, when looking for scholarly sources, I suggest once you find, let's say, 4 or 5 sources you think you can use, but you don't have to read them all. I suggest you read the abstract and skim it, and then see if what the topics they use are useful for your research review. Or if there is no abstract, simply read the introduction and the conclusion. That way you'll know if the source is useful for you. Now, I don't expect you to read them all, but this will help you when you're sorting through your sources to pick the best one for your work. Now, how do we find your sources? So for our class, I expect you to use the TTU library database. So here we go. You go to TTU library, and this is the main page. Notice there are databases, there are journals. You can search for everything, right? If you want to use a thesis or a dissertation, but you don't want to use the whole thing, you can use a chapter. Also, for those of you who like to use Google Scholar, you can connect your computer to Google Scholar. Just click here. Now, my account is already connected, so I will just type in, let's say, architecture and design. And as you will see, we will see results. Now, My suggestion is, if you are confused, if you can use a source for your research review, just email me, okay? Now, what I do not consider scholarly sources are news articles. Why? Because a news article is written by one person, the journalist, and they give you their perspective on an event. Unlike journal essays or articles, where they show you the whole process and they give you all the sources and their context that they're basing their research on, a news article does not do that. They will pick and choose what is best for their perspective. And that is not research, okay? That is their opinion, why? And that's why it's journalism. Now, my suggestion would be to go here to academic search. Let me sign in. Now with EBSCOhost here, it searches in all databases. So if you're looking for something specific, I suggest you go to subject terms. And here you can narrow it down. Look at the A. The first thing we see is A&I services, a cappella singing. You can also just go by database and search by topic. So let's say you are, let's go with marine biology since I already mentioned it before. I'm sorry, I clicked the wrong place. Let's go to quick search. Okay, instead of going by title, let's go by category. So here you notice you have audiobooks, business and economics, citation, the full text. Let's go to science and technology. And here we have all these science and technology subcategories. So you want biology and life and science, you want chemistry, engineering, health and medicine, or you can switch all. Let's go for biology, and we press go. So here we get all the databases that can be used for biology. Now, if this is too much work and you already have a topic in mind, I suggest you simply go to Academic Search Complete or EBSCO. You can go to JSTOR if you're more into humanities and literature. That is what JSTOR focuses for. You can use research guides, or you can simply put your topic here in everything, and you will literally get everything the TTU library has to offer. Now, if you want to sort, you go here to the sidebar. So we can go to research type, right? What we want are journals. Let's pick that. Maybe you want a few articles. Let's apply filters, and it will search. And you continue, right? And here we have what's peer review. Here we have if we want the full text. Here we have what's available. And you can also go even more specifically by subject, marine, biology, ecology, and you click, right? Let's say I want biology and I want oceanography. I apply the filters. And this will help you narrow down your search. Now you can click, and here you will get what you need. So if you want to download, right, full text available. Now, to help you when you're citing a source, all you have to do is here. Citing this. And the program itself will help you cite your sources. And you can choose between MLA or APA. Now go to citation. And notice here it gives you for APA. If you are going to use MLA, please use the 8 version. We click on it. And all you have to do is copy paste, right, into your Word document and just format it according to either the MLA or APA format you will use for your paper. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please email me. If I see I get a lot of the same questions, I will post them on our FAQ page on our general forum and put the answers there so everyone can see them. Take care, guys.